tram 28. It's an awesome tour around Lisbon. Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. I'm on my way to Lisbon, Portugal. I've left Tatanka behind safely in Finisterre, Spain, where my friend Ruben is going to take care of it for a few months until I can come back and continue the world tour. But so I'm heading over to Lisbon, Portugal, and I have a 23-hour layover, maybe 22 hours, where I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Paolo again, and he's gonna take me on a little tour of Lisbon, have a beer of course, and maybe some local custard or something that they have there in Lisbon. So I'm looking forward to that, because pretty soon it's back to reality. So thanks for watching all the videos, guys. Hopefully we can get on board. It's a propeller plane and it's a little bit delayed. That's it, we're boarding old school. Propeller plane, not too big. I think it's the same one Captain Carne flies. Captain Carne, when you see this video, comment below if you could fly this plane. Here we are in Lisbon with my friend Paolo. Cheers. And his beautiful girlfriend.
We'll try to do a quick tour inside Lisbon by car. Someone told me that Alberto had an issue with his right foot or something, ankle.
Left foot.
Hiking. Yeah. So he prefers to do some Uber stuff or something. So we'll try to show you the views.
Awesome, thank you, buddy. Baixa, downtown,
it's
Lisbon,
downtown,
and the old town. Or not?
Yeah, okay, Lisbon, almost every area in Lisbon is old town. But there's older parts of Lisbon. This part was rebuilt in 18th century.
Okay.
After the earthquake. Nothing fancy here.
Oh, here's a trolley. The
tram.
Cable car, yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. They were built from the same company in Chicago.
Okay.
Okay. It's almost the same model. That's an hospital. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I think it's the oldest hospital in Lisbon.
Wow.
St. Joseph Hospital.
Bela Graca.
Gracias a Dios. La firmeza de algo más.
Don João, a cidade de Lisboa.
When you try to do something more than you can, we're saying you're trying to put the Rocio Plaza in the Rua de Batejo.
Okay.
It's probably the shortest route, shortest street in Lisbon. You know?
I think we could apply that to our trip to Morocco. We tried to do all of Morocco.
More than you can chew.
Yes.
Yeah. It starts here and ends there. You can.
Rocio
the
Plaza.
main square in Lisbon.
It's beautiful.
Principal.
I remember seeing this in pictures and stuff. It's very Portuguese, no?
Yeah, we call it calçada portuguesa. It's an ancient tradition or something.
Okay.
And
yeah, I never seen it before.
Yeah, we have all the drawings. There's it's like I don't know, artisans.
Yeah,
okay.
artisan, yeah.
Yeah. 5 or 6 guys only that knows how to do this, you know.
Beautiful fountain, beautiful plaza.
And that's National Theatre.
Okay.
Okay, that's St. George Castle, Castelo de São Jorge.
Okay, right.
That's where Lisbon was founded.
Oh.
Okay. It's old.
Okay.
A lot.
Okay.
Maybe from what now? I don't want to say from maybe 10th century or something. I don't know.
Was it damaged in the?
No, because it's in a mountain, in a hill, and with the strong rocks, you know.
Yeah.
So it was a nice fortification. Okay, you have to show. I know, no brand, no brand. This one has. There's 2 major. Okay.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, brother.
Sorry, Olga.
She's drinking water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, qué rica.
Yeah.
Oh, it's better than the Estrella Galicia.
Oh no, you don't say that.
This pastry right here is unique and original to Portugal.
Yup.
And we're at the same company that has the original recipe.
No, not this one. Not this one. No.
Okay.
This is well known, but not the original. The original is in another place, in Lisbon as well, in Belém. It's called. We call it pastel de nata.
Yeah.
All of this kind of pastry, pie.
Yeah.
And the other one is pastel de Belém.
Oh.
De Belém. So that's the original recipe. You know?
So we're almost at the original.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, the second probably.
And it works fine.
Yeah, because you have to wait for half an hour in the queue, you know.
Yeah.
On the other place, yeah.
So where does that take us?
Up on the other hill, you know, because whether you go by stairs, or you took €5 10-second ride.
Okay.
It's for tourists, you know?
Yeah.
Nobody takes that.
Rua da Vitória.
O da Vitória.
¿Cómo se llama el equipo?
La equipa es Benfica.
El mejor equipo de fútbol del mundo.
Yeah. It's one of the biggest, actually.
Yeah.
And our eagle, it's called Victoria as well.
Nice.
Yeah. From 28. It's an awesome tour around Lisbon. Yeah. Brazilian.
Despacito, creo.
Despacito? Okay.
It's very good. ¿Cómo se llama aquí?
Arco de Rua Augusta. Rua Augusta, Augusta Street Arch.
Okay. Paolo, I love Lisbon.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Yeah. Me too. Another square. It's usually used to free concerts and firework at the New Year's Eve, and it's a nice square because the river is right there.
Yeah.
And there's something happening there. This mountain.
Yeah, they're doing some benches.
Yeah.
What statue is that? Also the king?
It's another king. Okay. Another one of our many kings.
Okay.
Fortunately, we have a lot.
Yeah.
But they all died.
What a beautiful place we have here. And it's been like that the whole trip.
The same color, but the design It's the Bay Bridge in San Francisco. The Bay Bridge, San Francisco Bay Bridge.
Okay.
Actually the same design.
Wow.
With a different color, but it's the same design.
Okay, I'm not
I
sure.
like bridges a lot.
Me too. I don't know if it's gonna come out on the video. I think it is. So that is the same design, but different color of the San Francisco Bay Bridge.
The color is the same as San Francisco. Golden.
You just need to have to be
still belongs to the Navy. And these docks were for docking and undocking and stuff to go wherever you go on the world. This was all covered
with a street or something.
Yeah, rocks and dirt and a garden or something like that. And they excavate everything again, put it right.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Praça do Comércio.
Praça do Comércio.
Commerce Plaza or something, and we call it as well Terreiro do Passo. I don't know how to translate this.
Okay.
But it's something like river related or something.
Okay. And what are we gonna have right now?
We're going to have a tour to a museum. It's called Beer Museum.
The Beer Museum. The most beautiful location in Lisbon. The best place. Look at this.
You like yes? Yeah? Oh yeah.
senhorita, prazer.
Feature of Paolo.
My friend.
Olga, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, Olga? Pastel de bacalao con queso.
We'll try this one. This is a normal codfish pastel. Kind of I don't know the name in English nor in Spanish. We call it salpicão. It's more meat, not so fat, you know. Okay, it's more about the meat. And you try it. You see, it's okay. You're used to it.
You guys go first.
Yeah. No. You go first.
No, okay, you go first.
We're not missing this stuff, you know. we can do this all day, eating and drinking, you know.
Qué bonito.
It's all about we call it conserva.
Okay.
It's, sardines and tuna fish in cans.
Let me buy two. I want to buy.
You want to buy it?
Yeah. Okay. That monument there is dedicated to the man that rebuilt Lisbon after the earthquake and the fire.
Yeah.
What's his name? Paul?
Marquês de Pombal. Marquis de Pombal.
Yeah.
And when Benfica wins the championship, we go to here to celebrate.
It's a gentleman ride.
Yeah.
It's a gentleman ride. Wow.
Okay, I have to go this way. No.
Se llama the gentleman ride.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. And this is place, the cultural place.
You're reading it. Centro Cultural de Belém. Is it that one?
Yeah, it's the one. Yeah, you know it. Monumento de Descobrimentos, não é? Yeah. Discovery Monument.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the other one after, it's Tower of Belém. It's better than this one.
Yeah. No, but that's cool.
Yeah.
I like how they're facing out to the sea.
Yeah. Tourists everywhere.
So my friend Paolo is doing tours of Lisbon.
Yeah.
How to see Lisbon in 4 hours.
That's about it. We call it Marginal, the seaside road. You know?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. The Triumph. Yeah. That's a geyser.
Real nice?
No, not real. It's a fake one.
Capricciosa pizzas artesanal. You're spoiling me. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Right on the beach, we're gonna watch the sunset. We're gonna smoke a cigar. Oh my god.
Okay, then I need carcavelos. Okay? You film kids.
We're not supposed to tell anybody about this place, right?
No problem.
Okay, okay.
No problem. Obrigado.
Pode trazer o
E lá com o balsâmico, por favor.
Pensa que eu disse, só duas.
Yeah.